Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing some items from Chanel, and I'm so excited to show this to you. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. I'm so happy I was able to get them, and thank you so much to my lovely friend who lives in Hong Kong. She helped me to get them, and it was so much fun shopping with her via phone call. We did a video call and she showed me the entire store. I felt like I was there. It was super fun. I really like that, and I just can't wait for the borders to open up so we can travel again and just come to Hong Kong and shop in person. It would be so much fun. I really miss those days, and I really hope that soon we will be able to resume our normal lives. Fingers crossed. I mean, we can't live like that forever, right? And before I go ahead with my Chanel unboxing, I wanted to show you the perfume that I purchased from Hermes, and this one is my absolute favorite. I love this scent so much, and I tried so many of Hermes perfumes. I literally tried all of them. I think I pretty much tried all of them, and I keep on coming back for the same in this yellow color. I like the citrusy smell and that it's not very strong. And actually I get a lot of compliments whenever I wear this perfume. People seem to like it, and it's not very strong, which is very important. I don't like the perfume that is extremely strong. Like you go to the lift and people literally can't breathe. So I stay away from this kind of perfumes. This one is pretty light and refreshing. I highly recommend it. So this is the booklet that came with the package that my friend sent, and this is for the cruise campaign. It's quite interesting. Actually, I like the cruise collection quite a lot. It's a shame that there wasn't enough stock in Singapore, at least for my size, but a lot of items are actually very pretty and flattering, and the colors are very nice as well. By the way guys, I have previously posted a video about this collection. In case you haven't watched it, I will link it down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. I managed to get some items from this collection, and I think I will be posting some pictures on my Instagram account when I will receive them. I'm yet to alter them as well because I always have to alter, well, most of the time. But I can't wait to wear them, and I'm so glad that I managed to get them in my size. Okay, moving on to the unboxing. Here is the receipt, and my friend got it from the Pacific Place, which is so exciting. I actually shopped there before. I love that shopping center. My friend is so sweet. She gave me some goodies that she received from LV and Bulgari, and I actually like this holiday season packaging. It's so pretty. But I have to say that there is a lot of glitter coming out of them, and here is the ribbon. I'm gonna keep them, and I actually collect them. I have to say I like the shoes quite a lot, and I totally did not expect to find them because I wasn't sure if they still have my size. I love this color. It's so beautiful, and when my friend showed it to me, I immediately fell in love with them. I love that the top part is actually iridescent. They are gorgeous. I'm just so happy to have them in my size. I actually like sling bags because of the heel is thicker, and I know it will not get stuck in the drains just like my other shoes. I stopped wearing all my shoes with thin heels because they will just get destroyed and it will spoil my night, so I don't even reach for them. And that's why I'm very cautious to add anything else in my wardrobe unless I know that this is a particular style, particular design that is wearable, very versatile, and something that I will like in a few years time for sure. I just don't add the item. I think this light shade of gold is going to be quite easy to style with my clothes, and most of my jewelry is actually in yellow gold as well. And also my Chanel Classic Flap bags usually have the gold hardware, which is perfect. Sometimes I actually like to match everything. I like everything to be coordinated. Actually, it's quite sad that Chanel Singapore stopped importing shoes, especially non-classic shoes in my size. If they imported shoes in my size, I think my shoe collection would be a lot bigger than what it is. They used to import those bigger sizes, but I can't seem to find them in the stores now, and I was really happy to be able to get it because I really love this design and I find them very comfortable to wear. And also after pandemic, I just stopped wearing high heels. I feel like this is the best height for me. They're just perfect, very comfortable, and I can wear them the whole day. I think it will be very easy to style these shoes. They go with literally anything, and I'll be posting a lot of pictures on my Instagram account. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. And my friend also showed to me this pair, the black ones, which are quite cute and I think they're great for the office, but I wasn't sure if they will fit me because I haven't even tried them on in real life. And moving on to the dress, so this is the dress that I got. I really love this dress. It's so stunning. It's in a size 34 and I hope I will not have to alter this dress, but it's so pretty. I love the color of it and I'm just so lucky to be able to get it because I couldn't get it anywhere else. And the belt still has all the stickers, which I would need to remove. It also has the trimming at the bottom, which is quite cute, and the lining, which I will show to you in a second. Here is the lining. As you can see, the material is pretty thin and it's perfect for Singapore weather because it's just too hot. And there are also these zips on the sleeves. I don't know if I would be using them. And there are also these buttons at the back, which are so cute. Here they are up close, and the CC logo is so tiny, which is perfect. That's what I like. And there is also zip over here after the buttons. I hope it won't be difficult to button it up. I'm very happy that I have this dress in my collection. I will be wearing it quite a lot. It's so beautiful. I love the color combination. I will be styling it with my white Chanel Classic Flap bag. I think it will look really nice. And I will also style it with my rectangular mini in a black color. I will just rotate them depending what kind of shoes I want to wear on the day. And by the way, I wanted to show you the thickness of the strap versus the trimming. And I think it would look amazing with my pearl bag as well. My most favorite bag, well, one of my most favorites. Actually, when that collection came out, I didn't even like anything from there, but I ended up getting two jackets. One is black and gold and another one is beige and gold. I posted some pictures on my Instagram account, so if you guys are not subscribed, please consider to check it out. And I love them a lot. I wear them quite often, and the dress is also very beautiful, but it looks very different from the runway. I will insert the picture of how it looked on the runway. I never liked it. I would never add anything like that, but the version that they had in the stores is so much better. It had this beading, which is okay, but I think the white version is so much better. And I'm so glad that they changed the design. So sometimes whenever I watch the runways, I don't like a lot of items, but whenever they come to the store, they modify them and they are actually a lot more wearable and a lot more beautiful. And also my friend showed me some other items that were still available in my size. This dress is quite pretty, and there was also this jacket and some accessories, brooches, earrings, necklaces, and also this top, which is really nice. I like the color of it. I never seen it in Singapore actually. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!